This is a 1 of 100 special truck.
More time spinning tires.
Hey guys, my name is Liam and you are watching Jeep Sheep TV. I am standing here with Nate Lankin of Off Grid Research, and behind us is a Comanche that I thought was really cool until I talked to him, and now I think it's really, really cool. So I'm going to give you the mic and flip the camera and just tell us all about your truck.
Sounds good. So this is my 1987 Jeep Comanche, Street Comanche. This is a 1 of 100 special truck, number 12 to be exact. So this is a homologation truck. This was a special edition that was made only 100 of to commemorate the Archer Brothers victories in the SEC Manufacturers Truck Series class. They absolutely wrecked and got kicked out of the series, and they made 100 of these trucks to commemorate that. Now only about 20 still exist, and they are extremely hard to find. It took me about 10 years to find this Jeep, so I'm really proud of it, and I'm proud to bring it and show it to you guys. This body kit is all custom. This front bumper I recreated in CAD. I scanned the vehicle, I built the bumper, and now I get it manufactured. We're bringing back the race Jeep heritage, we're bringing back the history, and it's just really fun to be out here at SEMA and be able to bring this unique Jeep Comanche out. Most people don't even realize what it is. They ask me if it's a Cherokee with a back half, all sorts of fun questions, and we just love it. It's still powered by the 4-liter inline 6 motor with a 5-speed manual transmission, Hurst shifter, and rear-wheel drive, of course. We have Corbeau seats in there, and it's lowered, custom wrap, GT500 wheels on it, center exhaust, and we have a turbo kit waiting to be installed as well. Come in here. I would like to show you this badge here on the dash. This badge right here, this plaque, this shows you that it is number 12 of 100 Street Comanches ever made, and it's actually a very significant vehicle in the Jeep history community, basically. So I've been a part of Comanche Club since 2008, and it's been a long time dream to get one of these trucks, and when I found it, I've just been holding on to it and kind of just resurrecting the history, and just really proud to bring it to you guys and show it to you.
Hey man, this thing is so cool. When we walked up to it, we're like, hey, he took a Comanche, he lowered it, you know, he put the wrap on it, got some body kit, you know, got some bolt-ons, threw it on, and called it a day, right? But we're like, well, even that's really cool. Like, we like Comanches. And then I learned that this body kit, like this, at least the rear portion, this is original.
Yeah.
This is how it came.
Yes.
And I didn't know that was a thing, first of all, so now I'm learning something. And then in the front, you had to make yourself. Like, what happened to the front end? Like,
well, so the front end, I still have my original front end intact. But what I did is I wanted to make this more accessible to people that want to build street Jeeps. So what I did was I 3D scanned the whole truck. I redesigned the front bumper in CAD. I made it more aggressive. It's lower, it's steeper, it has different vents with brake cooling ducts and all sorts of room for an intercooler. And now you can actually go and buy one of these and put it on your Jeep and make your own street Jeep, whether it's a Cherokee or a Comanche.
yeah, so how do we buy that?
Oh, well, you got to go to ogrshop.com. It's Off Grid Research. Go check us out, and we would love to help you build something fast and fun and unique. That would be really cool.
Yeah, well, you know what? This Jeep is so cool, and I'm really glad I got to talk to you, because otherwise we would have just been saying, oh, it's a lowered Comanche, and that would have been lame. So thank you so much. Hey guys, we're out at SEMA 2024. We're looking at all the different things, all the different Jeeps, of course, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.